Hello, my name is Kintara Nurdin and I'm going to present 3 episodes from BBC Podcast. First, From Your Dead to Me, the episode titled The History of Chocolate. Second, from BBC Inside Science, the episode titled uh, The Race to Create COVID-19 Vaccines. And the third, from More or Less Behind the Stats, the episode title is Climate Change Causing More Natural Disasters. This episode discuss first the history of chocolate. This episode discuss the history of chocolate from ancient times to today. The main topic of the episode is how chocolate evolved from a bitter ceremonial drink to a sweet treat loved around the world. One interesting point the host and guest mention is how the Mayans and the Aztecs used cacao beans as a money and in religious rituals. This episode also highlight the role of European colonization in spreading chocolate and how it became part of modern culture. And the second is the race to create COVID-19 vaccines. Okay, this episode discuss the scientific process behind the development of COVID-19 vaccines. The main topic of this episode is how scientists managed to create vaccines so quickly without compromising safety. One interesting point the host and guest mentioned in the USA of mRNA technology, which had been in research for decades before the pandemic. This episode also highlights the global collaboration between scientists, government, and companies to fight the virus. Okay. The third is climate change causing more natural disaster. This episode discusses the relationship between climate change and natural disaster. The main topic of this episode is whether the frequency and intensity of natural disaster are truly increasing because of climate change. One interesting point of the host and guest mentioned is that while some types of disaster like heat waves are increasing, the number of deaths from disaster is actually lower now because of better warning systems. And the episode also highlight the difficulty of connecting individual disaster directly to climate change. Okay. Explanation of key terms. I learned one concept called cacao ritual. This term means the use of cacao in ancient ceremonies for religious or social purpose. In the podcast, it is explained as a sacred activity among the Mayans and Aztecs. This concept relates to real life because even today chocolate is often associated with collaboration, celebration, and special occasion. From podcast 2, I learned one concept called mRNA technology. This term means a way to create vaccine by using messenger RNA to teach cells how to produce a protein that triggers an immune response. In the podcast, it is explain a breakthrough technology that helps speed up vaccine development. This concept relates to real life because mRNA vaccines like Pfizer, Moderna, and yes, saved 1 million of life during the pandemic. From podcast 3, I learned one concept called attribution science. This term means studying how much climate change influence specific weather events. In the podcast, it is explained as a scientific method that looks at the connection between human activities and natural disaster. This concept relates to real life because it helps government and communities prepare better for future risks. Okay. From podcast 1, I noticed the speaker use the phrase a bittersweet story. This is an idiom and it means something that has both good and bad aspect. People usually say this when talking about memories or historical events that have mixed feeling. From podcast 2, I noticed the speaker used the phrase race again times. This is an idiom and it means to work very fast before a deadline. People usually say this when trying to solve an urgent problem. And from podcast 3, I noticed the speaker used the phrase not the whole picture. This is an idiom and it means only part of the truth, not everything. People usually say this when discussing complicated issues. Okay, I think it's enough from